position of the first master. I go to make the arm break, but her hand escapes from my shoulder. So I'm stepping in, and my leg is right behind hers, and I'm turning so that this hand is going towards her triangle point. Yeah, nasty, isn't it? Mm-hmm. And if I push a little, at some point, this leg is going to start to rise. And when it does, I grab it and I do this. Not with your friends. Okay? But what you should be aware of is as you're... Oh, sorry. Yeah, that's right. What you should be aware of is as you're applying this throw, this leg will tend to rise. And I have seen people standing in the wrong line, and as that leg rises, it goes right where you don't want it, and you spend the next 10 minutes sort of huddled up in a ball. Don't do that. Okay? So foot positioning is very important. I'm going for the arm break, I'm escaping, I'm turning her, and I'm stepping behind her, and I'm bringing this foot slightly out of the way. And amongst friends, you can just sort of indicate what you're going to do by just hooking gently behind the knee. Mm-hmm. Okay? But really what you're doing is as the leg comes up and is unweighted, yeah, you're catching it as it rises. It's very uncomfortable, isn't it? Yeah. Okay. Be gentle with your friends. Let's have a look at it from the other side. So here we are. I'm going to break the arm. Oh, she escapes. So I go to her head instead. I step in behind, and as I'm turning her off her feet, keeping my back straight, I'm going to pick up that knee and only don't.